and gentlemen and video designers, we're going to do the video slideshow part 3. We're going to add a video. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is open up our project. So we're going to go into our video slideshow folder, and we're going to double click on, so this is my first version. I saved a second version. I'm going to double click on that, and then my project will open up. Okay, so what you should have so far is when you hit play, let's hit play. There should be motion and then a transition. So motion, see the picture moving, and then it transitions between. All right, so you should have transitions between most of the slides, and you should have the dynamic zoom on most slides. If you don't have that, you basically come up here to effects, you pick one that you like, and you add it to it. And then when you want to do and then I'm going to hit shift, and I'm going to select all of them. And then you can come up to dynamic zoom and add it to all of them that way, okay? Or you can go click here and click on dynamic zoom. Anyway, the dynamic zoom creates the motion. All right, that's what you should have so far. Let's jump back and see what it looks like. Open it up. Images added. Each image should last 4 seconds. If not, that's bad. You're going to have to adjust it each one individually. I showed you how to do that in the first one. Transitions on most of the images, dynamic zoom. All right, add a video to the end of your video slideshow. You can get one from YouTube if you can figure it out. I had trouble doing it, so I'm sure if you spend enough time, you could get a video off of YouTube, from Instagram, or you can just take a short recording and put it in. The idea is that maybe it matches, maybe it doesn't, but I want you to learn the skill of getting the video in, okay? If you get it off of your phone or one of my cameras, you just plug the cord in, plug it at the computer, and copy it that way. All right, I'm going to show you, and then you're going to cut the clip down to make it short because it might be too long. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So what I did is I went on to Instagram. Okay, I don't know if you can get to Instagram. Here at the school, you might have to do it at home. But then I came up here and I copied the link. Okay, so then I went over here. I'm going to hit escape here, and I'm going to I went to www.indown.io. So the link is on the slideshow, and there's a link in Google Classroom. Anyway, I went here, and so what I did is so there's a link right there. So I'm going to hit refresh. Okay, and so I'm going to go to Okay, so I'm going to click right here, Instagram Video Downloader. I'm going to paste the link there, and then I'm going to hit search. Okay, and then I'm going to come down here. Don't click any of this other weird stuff, but I'm going to click download. And then I don't know if yours is going to be down here. Mine's now popping up here, so there it is. So I'm going to show it in the folder. I'm going to copy it, or cut it, either way. Okay, then I'm going to go to my folder with my name on it. I'm going to go to Creative Computers. I'm going to go into Video Design. I'm going to go to Video Slideshow. I'm going to go to the Video Assets, and I don't know what this is doing. I'm going to delete that. And I'm going to paste it in here. Now, the next thing you want to do, that's a terrible name, and I'm going to rename that barbecue.mp4. Okay? All right, so we have that, and so now I'm going to come back over here, and I want to drag it in to my video slideshow, the media. So I'm going to get this back on, okay, and I'm going to drag it in here, see if it'll let me. Okay, so it did. All right, so now I can minimize this. All right, so then I'm going to drag it at the end of I don't want any gaps. I don't want to do that. I want to put it right there. Okay, so there it is. And then you can see this one is different than the pictures because it has video that goes with it. So I'm going to click right here, and I can put a transition on this too. No, I won't do it. Okay, And then I'm going to hit play.
Today we're making fajitas on the griddle with a side of street corn.
Okay, so that's where I want to end. You can use the video and the sound here to tell where you want to stop. So I'm going to go right here. I want it to end right there. So then, oh, I don't have it. So I'm going to come over to here, and I'm going to clip it right at that spot. So I'm going to split the clip, and then I'm going to click on this thing and hit delete on the keyboard. And so now I have just that shortened clip. So let's see what it looks like, see if we like it.
Today we're making fajitas on the griddle with a side of street corn.
What that has to do with my nature pictures, I don't know, but it was just one that I could get quickly. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to open up our works cited page, and down here I'm going to add the barbecue. I'm going to put the link to it. So I'm going to need this because tomorrow we're going to do some more stuff with that link. So make sure that you add that in. Let's jump to our slideshow here and see where we're at. Oh, my slideshow is right here. Okay. Add a link to the video in your works cited doc. Did that. Okay, we got it. That's it. So, but it's not it because I'm going to have to go to File. I'm going to have to go Export Project, and I'm going to call this one version 3. You can save it over one of these, or you can save it as a version number to give you some backups. Either way is fine with me, and I'm going to save it, and then you're done. Thanks, guys.